So is there a difference between how millennial millionaires and boomer millionaires invest? Well, yes, quite a big difference actually. A recent survey found that 83% of millennial millionaires own crypto. In fact, the majority of them have at least half of their wealth in cryptocurrencies. This kind of investing strategy differs significantly from that of the boomer millionaires, only 4% of whom reported owning cryptocurrencies. Boomer millionaires are more likely to own things like diversified passive index funds, like the S&P 500, and bonds as part of their portfolios. One thing that is a constant, though, is that most boomer and millennial millionaires are making lifestyle changes in response to the high levels of inflation we are currently experiencing. But it seems that the millennial millionaires are cutting back even more than the boomers. They're not only canceling their mimosa brunches and Tulum vacations, but a lot of the millennial millionaires are delaying the purchase of a new home. Still, these new money millennials are more optimistic about the US economy than their baby boomer counterparts. Most millennial millionaires believe that the economy will be stronger by the end of the year, whereas the majority of boomers think it'll be weaker and feel that inflation will be a problem for years to come. So what do you think? Like this video, follow me, Ashley Cohen, on YouTube, check out my podcast, and follow Bold TV for more great content.